Hi students, this is Suchadatta teaching economics, and now I am about to teach you the second chapter of class 11, and the name of the chapter is 5-year plans in India, goals and achievements. Every country for its development needs certain goals and needs to achieve those goals. If we are without goals, then naturally the development will never come to that country. Every country aspires to be a good country, meaning to say it should have a very strong economy, it should have excellent infrastructure, it should have good government and so on. Now when we discuss about India before independence, India lagged in all such facilities. Whether it was agriculture, industry or the tertiary sector, all of them were lacking behind. In fact, the Indian economy before the advent of independence, that is before the coming of independence to India, was featured by a backward and stagnant economy. When the economy was not at all moving, it had just stopped where it was. The growth was negligible. The economy was just dependent on agriculture. That is, most of the people were employed only in the agricultural sector and were residing in the villages. The industrial sector and the service sector was not there at all. The people of India were living in deep poverty and the life expectancy of an Indian was very low. So all that you can think of, the miserable condition was there before we got independence or under the Britishers. When came independence, the first thing that the Indian planners had in mind was how to develop the economy of the country.